Wow. Doing the bars at gymnastics. Swinging. Good girl. Whoa. Good one.
Mommy.
Yep.
Watch this.
Okay.
Where are you going? You kind of moved everything for the end. Oh. Sadie, one person on the trampoline, okay?
Oh.
Thanks, guys. Have a nice night.
Jump. Sadie, go on your bum. Whoa.
I can do bum doggy.
Okay. Do a star jump.
You mean this?
Yep. What's another one?
Pencil.
Pencil jump. Very good.
And bum.
Okay, will you show me the beam? Show me how you do the beam.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. Now come back towards me. Come back towards me. No, on the beam. Go down to the other end and come back on the beam. On the big beam?
I can almost do all of it. Like, I'm like there, from there. Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Now come back on this one.